Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be deep cleaning our kitchen and organizing our fridge a little bit. I hope you guys like it, and let's go. So first I needed a little pick-me-up to get this kitchen cleaned, so I'm just pouring myself some iced coffee with some creamer. Luna and Dax had just gotten done eating, so I'm quickly cleaning up the table and all of their mess first before I can do anything else in the kitchen. I can't breathe without your So these are the kids' bumbos. This is what they sit in to eat at the table. And I clean off like the top of them every single time they get done eating, but I occasionally will go like lift that thing up and clean underneath there, and every single time I do it, it's so disgusting. I don't know how it gets so gross because I clean it, like I said, every time that they eat. So I don't know, just like liquid and crumbs and everything like seep down into there. It just grosses me out. So I try to clean that maybe every few days, maybe like once a week or so. Next thing I'm cleaning is inside and outside of the microwave. I had already taken out the glass plate and like the plastic food cover and everything that go in there. I washed them, and then I'm going to just use some vinegar and hot water to clean the inside and the outside. Now I'm just loading the dishwasher with this ginormous pile of dirty dishes. I swear I feel like there's always so many dirty dishes in the sink. Like I can never catch a break. It's very rare that there's like one or two dishes in there. I'm sure that every mom out there can relate to that.
The summer's calling. If the kingdom's overthrown, meet me at the cornerstone. I know that I can't be without you. This bond is solid gold. We're a diamond and an emerald. It took me forever to find you. 'Cause when it's all over, the love that you give will be there to guide you in every way. Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
to clean and scrub the sinks at least once a week. I just use baking soda and then I squirt some dish soap on top of that and let it sit for a while, and then I'll scrub it down later.
As we wait for the smoke to clear and we watch our dreams appear, I know that we can rise together. This vision that we share is ours. Together we can touch the stars.
Now I'm just cleaning the stovetop with some baking soda, some warm water, and an old toothbrush. The stovetop is one of those things that I never feel like cleaning, but it gets pretty disgusting from cooking so many meals on it. So I just make myself do it.
Now we've been through the cold and darkest days. The summer's calling.
I'm going in with a wet microfiber cloth, and I'm just like picking up all of the baking soda that I can. I'm just going back and forth to get it all clean.
Summer's calling.
This is something that I just recently started doing. I take the burner covers and the grates from the stove and I put them in our bathtub instead of cleaning them in the sink because water just gets everywhere. So the bathtub is obviously a much larger area to clean these huge things. So I'm just using a mixture of baking soda and dish soap to clean these. Moving on to organizing the refrigerator. I posted, I think in the last video, it was a vlog, we went grocery shopping and we put everything away kind of in a hurry and it left our fridge a hot mess. So I'm just organizing everything. I try to put everything towards the front so that I can see everything. I find that if stuff is kind of pushed back, I can't see everything that I need for like recipes and stuff during the week. And then stuff expires and goes bad, and then I just end up going to the grocery store and buying the exact same thing that I just threw away. So it's really important for me to keep everything towards the front so that I can see all the ingredients I need for food that I'm making.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
I'm using Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface spray to wipe off all the appliances. The top of the fridge, super dusty.
See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
I'm still in love with this Caldrea sea salt spray. I'm using it to wipe off the counters. I can still smell it like 20 or 30 minutes after I use it. I can't say enough good things about it, and it cleans really well also. These microfiber cloths that I'm using throughout this video, I got them from Amazon. They came in a pack of 12 and they're incredible, so I'm going to link those in the description box below. If you notice on that Google Hub right there, it's 2 hours after I started this video. That's just life with kids. Now I gotta clean up this floor. I'm just using a broom and dustpan, and then I'm using the Method squirt and mop to mop it. That is it for this kitchen deep clean. I hope you all enjoyed it. I hope you're having a good day. And if you're new to my channel, I would love to have you if you wanted to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.